Alright, so this is the trade recap for today, and this was honestly the best trading day of my life. So, coming into today, I got some good sleep. I was well rested, but I had this level as my extreme for, I saw this balance area. There were lower balance areas, but it was Friday, so we just balanced. I saw this level, which I initially had as the extreme. I still think it's mostly the extreme, but this one I saw later, and this one was the upper extreme. So this one was the one I took trades, and this one was what I took trades off of. You can see there's pretty high delta around them. Uh, yeah, and this middle one, I was, I like just got back to my computer and I checked the levels again and I realized that we had, this was kind of an extreme. I think I saw it on the TPO, honestly. Yeah, this was like, you can see volume fades right there. And so it does it as well in the time. And so, oh, no. I went and I saw we had reactions from the previous day. I had mostly for these two levels looked at overnight, and these were really good levels. They still were. But this one had recent reactions and it was just good. So then I plotted that basically as we got to the level. And I was seeing, like, I saw it kind of, probably right here. I don't know if I saw it right here. Might have gotten stopped out if I took it right here, but yeah, I saw it and saw the rejection. It was a clean rejection. I just wasn't sure this level would hold because I think I saw it right here and then it rejected and I thought, oh yeah, we're probably going to come to this extreme. But no, it just dropped a little lower and continued. And this was honestly kind of a poor first trade. This was my heaviest size trade. I like there was these two areas. This was a whole balance area, and this box and this box were like micro auctions basically. And so I and so I saw we like kind of had a pullback from this, and I thought maybe this will be a rejection. But then I saw it was just another pullback for long, so it was a late entry, but I took it. And I think I had pretty good stop loss placement. And I took a partial at like this micro auction and here. And then I saw we started to fall off and I closed out finally. And then we tested this micro auction and then this extreme again, and I sized down a lot because I already got my main win for the day, so I just wanted extra profit. And so I took one partial right there, kind of a hot spot, and then got hit break even. And then here, I thought it was like a rejection from this extreme. This was a poor trade, but yeah, I went break even like as soon as we went down here. I was like, it's just an extra trade. I can just go break even. It doesn't matter if it doesn't really matter too much. And then after that, I really realized that, just take a step back. Price was chopping a bit, balancing. And so then we came up to this one and it gave me conviction that we were balancing here to have a rejection because it was like neither side was really taking control. So going to an extreme would probably mean sellers would take control because they're giving the getting the best opportunity rather than buyers. So I shorted here for 3 contracts and took one off at this balance and then went break even. This one, it kind of chopped around my stop loss for a bit. And so I was kind of hesitant about it, but I took partial here and then I saw we came into here and it kind of rejected, and so I just took another partial off and went break even. I was like, all right, that could honestly be my trade for the day. And then I honestly was just like, I had one more contract. I was like, yeah, I'll just hold it for as long as I can get it. And I held it to about right here. And then I decided, I was thinking about in here, adding another contract, in here, adding another contract, just selling off more, making my position heavier. And, you know, here I thought we got a pretty good rejection from this level, and I was going to target here. And then, you know, my last contract from there, I thought we might be rejecting from this, and then I bought it back, and this was like my break even for this trade. So I mean, it made a little bit of profit, but nothing much. And yeah, I mean, definitely it's definitely slowed down. It's 11 o'clock now, so probably won't have too much action. I could have held both of these to here. I mean, it's just a little bit of profit, but yeah, that's mainly it.